I want to show you how I make my blueberry poppy seeded muffins. I got this recipe from a book called Leon. It's a cookbook, so it has like main food, how to cook main food, how to cook dessert, how to make up drinks. It's a really good book. I highly recommend it. I will leave a link down below on more information about the book. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, that comes to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this video a like, a thumbs up, because that means you enjoyed it, and hopefully have inspired you to make some yourself. And please subscribe to my channel. I highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.